MIKEGTV. B. I'm about to add a fuel filter in my Cutlass. Can't really see because all these hoses are in the way as usual. But this right here is the line I'm gonna cut, and I'm gonna just put. This is the line coming from the tank and going to the fuel pump. I'm just gonna cut it right about here somewhere and put the fuel filter right in the middle of that. Put 2 clamps on it, and that's it. I'm gonna see if it will be easier from the bottom. But let me grab the stuff that I need. I need a knife. I got these 2 clamps right here, so I don't have to use any tools. And this is the fuel filter. It's the number right there. That's 3/8. 3/8 on both sides. So basically what I'm going to do is just cut the line and put this in the middle of it. It's really easy. I'm not sure what I'm going to use to cut the line with, the holes, but I'm going to find something. Alright, I just installed it. It took like 5 minutes to do. I cut the line and put the fuel line in the middle of it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera under the car so you can. I'm gonna start it up and you can see the fuel go inside. All right, the video is gonna probably be muted because it's gonna be really loud. But I'm gonna go start up the car right now and check and see if there's no leaks. All right, as you can see, there's no leaks. It's that easy to add a fuel filter to your car, at least to mine. I have 84 Pellet Supreme. All you gotta do is find that hose that comes from the gas tank and goes into the fuel pump. Cut it and add the fuel filter in the middle of it and tighten it down with 2 clamps. It's that easy. No leaks. Let me make sure. Check again. No leaks. That's it. It's that easy.
The next day.
All right, so yesterday I checked this out and I'm seeing that the fuel filter, trying to get in here, all this holes is in the way, but it is draining out somewhere. So I'm gonna have to put that check valve in because that thing was half full yesterday when I came to work, and today when I came to work it was half full, and now it's lower than it was. This is as close as I can get. I can't fit the camera in there anymore. Well, let me zoom in and see if it look better. There we go. It had way more gas in there than that, but now it has. It's been sitting here since what was it? Like 4 o'clock. It's now 10:30 in the night, so the gas is going back into the tank. So I need to put that fuel check valve in somewhere, but it got to go in because the gas is going back into the tank, and that's why it's taking a long time for the car to start up. But tomorrow I'll probably mess around with that. Right now I'm on my way home, just getting out of work. So till tomorrow.